found a self car wash, and it was about 10 miles away in Salt Lake City, but we're gonna wash them because look how much salt is caked up on the exhaust. There's salt everywhere. There was salt there, but I don't know, it might have, but these things are absolutely filthy. We gotta wash them a little bit. They're absolutely disgusting. So we'll just hose them down. High pressure rinse, high pressure clear coat, high pressure soap. That's what you need. Filthy, brother, filthy. Okay, let me pull it out. All right, guys, here's the finished product. It's not 100% perfect. I'd say it's 95, but I'm happy all the salt's off of it. That's all that matters. And all the bugs, there was literally a layer. The headlight wasn't even working good because there was so many bugs on the front. But now at least it's clean and I'm happy with it until I get home. Then we'll do a full detail, and you guys know what we're gonna be doing with it. We're gonna be doing the performance bagger build on it. We're gonna be doing wheels. Yes, wheels. We're gonna be doing suspension. We're gonna be doing, what else? Probably some engine work. We're gonna be doing a 2-into-1 exhaust. We did wash the bike, so you guys don't worry. They are clean, and the Bonneville salt flats was definitely worth it. What's up, guys? It's about 7:30 a.m. A little later start today. Yesterday was a pretty long day. We did the Bonneville salt flats. That was about 340 miles. And then we were there for a while. It was about a little over 100 degrees. It was so hot. And then we actually rode another about 120 miles to Salt Lake City. We got caught in some heavy rainstorms and it was hailing. And then when we got back to the hotel, we had to wash the bikes. So we went to like a self car wash where we could wash all the salt off and stuff. So this way the bikes are clean again. So it was kind of a late day yesterday, so we needed some sleep. But anyway, we're in beautiful Salt Lake City today, and you got the absolutely amazing, beautiful mountain scenery all around you. But we're gonna be heading out here in a couple minutes, just grab another cup of coffee, and the guys are getting situated. And we're gonna be off to Steamboat Springs, Colorado, into the Rockies. And then we're kind of just playing it as the days go on. We don't really have a plan from here on in. So wherever we think is going to be pretty cool that we can stop and see, that's where we're gonna be. What does that say? Chicken Creek, Uinta National Forest. It's like a massive lake. I don't know the elevation, but we're definitely high up there, but these are like gorgeous, like high altitude plateaus here in Utah. Unbelievable. What a beautiful state. I love this. Love it. All green, lush, forest, lake. Really, really beautiful. Stop to refuel. Friggin' boiling out here, boy, in the middle of the, I don't know, Colorado desert. But I could see the Rockies coming up. We're about 85 miles away. You could see them in the distance. But it is super hot here, probably 100 degrees. The ride 40 east, man, let me tell you, so good. So good to be on just back small little, you know, routes and highways instead of the interstates. Interstates are good if you got to, if you just got to melt miles away, crush miles. But other than that, we have the time now. So we're probably gonna hop on 70 once we get into probably Missouri and then just sail home because,
Buddy, it's like an old man.
You know, probably not gonna stop and really look around too much. Our, you know, main focus was on the West Coast. So after Missouri, 70 eastbound, we're just gonna slay the miles. All right, guys, we're in Steamboat Springs, Colorado. Very popular ski town, beautiful town as well. We're gonna sit down, eat something, and then figure out, do we go further? Are we gonna stay here? We'll let you guys know in a couple minutes. We gotta find a place to eat first.
Pretty so long. You wanna go for a haircut, you said?
Nah, wait until I get home, man.
Beard shape?
Nah, wait until I get home. My boy Mikey cuts my hair the best. Nobody better than Mikey. All right, I'm gonna go back actually and have some sushi. The guys are looking for something else to eat, but I'm in the mood for some sushi. It's unhealthy, and then I'll be looking for some hotels too. A little king crab roll, salmon roll, and spicy tuna roll. Found a hotel, we're gonna stay here. Then tomorrow, Pikes Peak. It's a pretty cool town. There's a lot of bikes, a lot of off-road bikes. I see traveling around here. They have an event, some kind of event on gravel around here. Pretty cool. I would like to spend a couple days here. Obviously we can't. It's really nice. I'm sure it's awesome in the winter. Pretty tired. We've been on the bike since like 7 a.m., something like that. Look at the cool homes on the hill. Man, they must have an awesome view. All right, guys, we're here staying at the Holiday Inn Express and Steamboat. That's about it for today. Really tired. I'm gonna go inside, take a shower, because tomorrow we have a long day. We have a pretty long ride, a little over 200 miles, and then we're going to tackle Pikes Peak in Colorado, close to Colorado Springs. Then we're going to be driving into Colorado Springs and pretty much staying there overnight. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video series so far. We'll see you guys tomorrow.